Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic intro using the mask feature in CapCut PC. So just type in cinematic or anything else, select a font. I'll just use this one. Just going to adjust it so it's a little bit longer. Maybe like around 5 seconds actually. I feel like that's a little bit too long. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip. Go to video, go to mask, select the horizontal one, bring it down, and you're just going to feather it out like that. Well, actually, you don't need to do that. I'm not going to do that actually. I'm going to go to the video section. I'll select mirror, and I'm going to rotate it like that. And I'm going to feather it out quite a bit. Starting from the C section, let me just make the text a little bit smaller. Wait, let me actually do it before I made it into a compound clip. There, sorry about that. Video, mask, mirror, adjust it, and you're going to feather it out. And you're going to place it here. Add a keyframe. And kind of at the end, you're going to want to go back to the mask and you're going to select it and move it all the way to the right, like that. If it's too fast, just bring the keyframes a little bit further. I might go back and like feather it out just a little bit more. Like that maybe. Okay, let's do that again. Let's add a keyframe like here. And then add another one at the end like that. Once you're done, you're going to go to the effects section here. And you're going to type angel. If I can just type it correctly. Then you're going to select it and you're going to add it to the text. Maybe like on top. Yeah, add it on top. I can adjust that one. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to place it here, and you can also adjust the strength as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.